Good morning, Robert. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. So let's see what we got over here. So I put your information into Google, and obviously we both know we're not. I can't find anything, and or I'm not finding any specific matches, which is a reason why I'm not going to click on anything over here. So these might be some of your pictures actually. Um, but overall, it's very important to have a website, even if you're just ranking. If somebody puts in painting or stuff like that. So the importance of a website is that obviously, people find it when they're searching for something, and they, just quickly call you for it. So let's take a look and see what's going on. So some of the things Google really looks for is something called a buyer intent keyword, which is, a specific service they're looking for and a specific area, because that lets you know that somebody in Houston is searching for a painter. So they're already with the intentions to buy instead of them saying something along the lines of, hey, what color paint should I use for my bathroom? Stuff like that. People don't care for that, or at least you shouldn't. But let's put in Painters Houston, see what we got. So as I'm scrolling through, we got all these ads over here, and honestly, they're all franchises, which is funny because or just stuff that no one cares much about. But as we go through over here, we got your organic website search. So anyone can rank in this area. It's very important to be number one, two, or three. Honestly speaking, even going up against something like Yelp or Home Advisor is fine because people don't like registries. So let's scroll down a little bit and find somebody who's actually a real person. And we have the four big ones up top, and then we finally get to one guy, right? John McDonald painting. So with his website, we got his name, click to call buttons, which, quick conversion if somebody's looking for, and then his services, testimonials. Now, a lot of this stuff is very over the top, especially, the whole header over here, but you definitely want a home, about us, and your services, because this goes over everything, which is great. As far as, these four things in the middle over here, not really. Home tips might be good if it's a blog. So, that'll help rank him higher for certain things, and then contact us, obviously. Before and after is a little unnecessary, but people like seeing pictures. The whole contact us and customer reviews on the side. You know, time and place for everything. But he's got content, and that's the thing we're looking for. Now, what are those buyer intent keywords? I'm looking for those on his website, and we got one right here: professional painter in Houston, Texas. Excellent. So we want what you want is that. You want your pages to have that. Something actually I'm really okay, no, that is the home page. But as you scroll through, he's got interior and exterior painting and services in Houston, interior painting. So if you just scroll through, you'll start seeing that there is a little bit of those keywords involved. Now, interior painting, he's breaking up the page with pictures and a little bit about it, which is excellent. So he's getting all of the keywords down. He's moving through. He didn't put all of his services down, which is fine, but the homepage is meant for you to kind of brag about everything you do. You want all your services on the homepage for people to scroll through with links to go somewhere else, but also, like him, you want to have, a directory here so people can target what they're looking for. But other than that, it's an okay website, nothing crazy. Service areas should be put up top, where people can see locations, so they can quickly just get to it. But overall, he's got his number throughout. This should be a click to call. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's making this website tick. So I'm using something called Ahrefs, and I've been signed out. I'm going to sign back in. Who do they think they are? And I got to put his back in over here. So let's just do that really quickly. Um, and let's see what we got. So we paint Houston. All right, so this guy's in Houston just like you. Excellent. So what I'm showing you over here is basically their strength, right? How good they are, RFs wise. So UR rating is a 14, DR rating is a 1.8, which means that they have a strong website and Google trusts them not very highly. And that's because it all comes down to backlinks. So if you have very strong backlinks, you're in a good spot. Not all of them are created equal. Some of them are going to be more of a, like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia, and those are very spammy, so Google doesn't like them. And then obviously you have your referring domains, which are things that come back to you. So if I have my website linked somewhere else and somebody clicks on it and it comes back to me, that's a referring domain and that's what I want. But I want strong ones. He obviously doesn't have very good ones because, again, 1.8. He also has 513 organic keywords. Now, right off the bat, I know that he's doing okay with them because for 513 organic keywords, he's only getting 801 people to his website through that. That lets me know that some of these, there's something off. But let's take a look behind the scenes and see what they are if it loads. So what I'm looking at is the keyword, the volume, the traffic, and the position. So he's got Painters Houston. That's very specific. It's what I put in actually. And 700 people a month search for that, and he's getting 41 people to his website through that because he's on the first page in the sixth position. And you definitely want to keep yourself on page number one, otherwise no one will see you. So he's getting the volume of all of these. He's just not getting the traffic. He's getting the volume for those keywords. He's getting the traffic from those people, and he's in the position to get them. The only thing I can think of why he's not getting any more traffic is because he may start going more generic or lower volume keywords, or he might not be in a higher position. But in my opinion, he should be getting for 513 keywords way more than 800. So how does this help you? All this means is that we gotta, get your website up and running. Either use the same one that you have that's not really working right now, revamp it, get 2,000. You got to get about 2,000 words on the homepage. That's what Google really also wants to look for. Content is very important. We got to get backlinks as well. So content is important to have your organic keywords in. Google will look at you a lot longer and a lot better. You got to get more backlinks. So, steal the good ones from him or from other of your competitors around the area that has to do with your keywords, and then start generating your own organic traffic. Imagine if you can get like 20 people, or not even 20, I'm talking like 200 people through your website alone calling you up for a job. Even if you get 50 of those just from your website, what can that do for you? All right, well, that's all I got, Robert. I really do hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Other than that, if you have any feedback, I would love to know. But you have an amazing day, man. Bye.